Today we're going to see how very simple it is to upload a document to a Moodle course site. This is a very basic set of instructions. We're not going to look at any of the advanced options at all. First of all, get yourself logged in and on a course page, and then find the Turn Editing On button, normally in the top right hand corner. So we'll give that a click. What happens when you turn the editing on is that you get a set of additional icons on the page which allow you to change the content of the page. We're looking for Add an Activity or Resource button on the right hand side, but first of all we're going to scroll down to a location where we can add that document. You can see I've already uploaded a test document here. We're going to put another one on the page. Click Add an Activity or Resource, and you'll then be presented with the dialog box that lets you select what it is you're actually going to upload onto the course page. It's quite a long list. We're going to scroll right down to the bottom because we're looking for resources. At the top of this list you will have activities, so be very careful that you are scrolling down till you find resources if you're just uploading a file. And there we will find file in amongst the list. We can give that a click, and at the bottom of the dialog box we'll then find the Add button. As you've chosen file, you'll get a description of what that particular resource is, so it tells you that it's anything that is a file basically. Choose Add. You then have a dialog box which you have to fill in, and again we're going to go through this very basic level. Give your document some kind of name, so my document. Make it meaningful and describe it to the students. Describe the document and contents, otherwise they won't know what the document is. Tick that you want the description to be shown on the page so that they'll see this description, and then scroll down a little further to the content section. Here you're going to click the Add button. Alternatively, you could drag the file in if you have the file window open on your screen as well, but you need to be using a browser like Firefox or Chrome. This won't work in Internet Explorer. So I'm going to show you clicking the Add button because that works everywhere. Give that a click and you now have the file picker. We're going to choose our file. We're uploading a file and we're choosing our file. We give that a click and it then lets us search wherever our file happens to be. On my desktop I found a file called Blue Water Lilies and I'm going to choose that file. You can obviously look anywhere, including on a memory stick. Once I have my file chosen, I'm going to upload this file. It pops it into the system. Depending on the size of the file will depend how quickly it does this, but you will see the file icon there. It is added, and we can then carry on down the screen all the way to the bottom. I'm ignoring every other setting there is because what we want to do is save and return to the course page, where you will find that document has been uploaded. Here it is, my document. So I now have two documents there with the description showing what I typed in.